At the moment, if a user sends random stuff to our bot, like, "Can I get a coffee please?" it will respond with a default answer because it doesn't know what else to do. So let's customize this one and add our own text card. Let's just say who and get back on track, which links to the menu. And let's also add another option which will allow the bot user to request help by a human. So let's call it chat. We want to use a live chat plugin for this one. Let's change the wording here. This sounds good. Okay, and let's add a text card at the bottom, so that after a user finished the chat, they will be guided back to the main menu. And just link it to the menu. Right. Cool. Now let's go back to the default answer and add the button for this. Let's say I need human help and call it chat. And then link it to chat.